Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to start getting ready for bed, so I'm not gonna do too much of my face. Today I'm actually gonna be doing an unboxing from Estée Lauder. They've reformulated one of their new products, so let's go ahead and test it out. So this is the box. So that's the box. Don't want to show you too much of the bottom because it has my personal information on there. Let me go ahead and open this up. So that is that. So it comes with this little thing and it says, our next revolution in skincare. New advanced night repair, synchronized multi-recovery complex. New fast repair and youth generating power exclusively for you. And I guess that's the full size of it. That's how it comes. Today I am going to be sampling their sample. On the back, dropped it there. So on the back it just says be the first. So this is just something for me. Be the first to try our new and improved #1 serum, advanced night repair free. Immediate results. Skin looks radiant and instantly hydrated. 3 weeks, lines and wrinkles appear reduced. 4 weeks, skin feels firmer with healthy looking bounce. Hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. Antioxidants for powerful protection against environmental damage. Free of parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and mineral oil. Use this 1 week sample every night before your moisturizer. Okay, so I use it before my moisturizer as serum usually works like that. For an extra boost, apply your serum every morning too. Ooh, awesome. So, where is it? Oh, there's our little guy. Cute. Oh my gosh, it's so little and mini. Okay. Okay, so this is the little guy. Oh my gosh, my focus is terrible. All right, let's go ahead and try it out. Hey, so I'm in my restroom. My fan is super loud in here, like usual. That's why I don't like filming in here, of course. But I'm not gonna focus too much on washing my face with the other products. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that off camera, and then I'll go ahead and apply that and do the rest. Alrighty, so let's get the show on the road. Oh my gosh, I broke out. Look. I've been eating pretty good, but I've been doing some experimenting with my baking skills, and let's just say chocolate is getting the best of me. So I'm going in, putting some toner. I feel weird because I'm not using both. And I have a spray, but I just sprayed it onto my hand. So now I am going to go ahead and apply some. It's a little thick. Something familiar. Hopefully I'm not allergic to anything in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna use some moisturizer on top of that. Look at the way it's already, I haven't put anything on yet. Look, like instant radiation. Oh God, no. No! Instant radiance. Instant radiance. So, you see that? Bam! I love the instant radiance look. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Okay. I always get dry right here. Always. Okay. This is how my face looks. In my light. In the light. So I definitely like how instant this is. So I'll go ahead and link the information to where you can purchase this in my description box. You can get it from Sephora. From Estée Lauder's website, it's pretty expensive. It's $105 for the full bottle. And then also, so at Sephora, it's actually $75. I'm sure it also comes with like shipping or whatever. Not sure if Sephora's doing pickups or anything right now, but yep. Thank you guys so much for checking out this product with me, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks, bye.